next speaker, Geuffer Garcia. Are you there?
Yeah.
I hope I'm pronouncing your name correctly. Geuffer?
Oh, yeah, Geuffer.
Geuffer.
Geuffer,
Okay.
yeah.
Okay, so you'll be talking about change makers, young entrepreneurs for inclusive and sustainable development.
Yes.
The floor is yours. Please share your
I will share here
screen.
screen, yeah. Just a moment. Let's see if I get it right. It's right? Think so?
Great, yeah, go ahead.
Yeah, good. Hi, I'm Geuffer. I'm from Núcleo. Here to present our makerspace that is Changemaker. Changemakers is a makerspace promoted by two entities, is Núcleo and Innov Labs. We are based here in Cascais, in Portugal. The Núcleo and Innov Labs have extensive experience in areas of education, STEM teaching, in the maker movement in schools in the community. First, I will show you a short video that shows how we started this makerspace and what next I will show you what is a makerspace and some results that we have here. So I will start with the video and we talk. Let me just see if the audio is there. I think so. It's okay?
We don't hear.
No, we don't hear you. No.
Sorry. So let me.
Geuffer, you have to stop sharing, and when you share, you have to share sound.
Ah, yeah. Okay. Just a moment. Here it is. Okay. I think it's okay now. Just a moment. Okay, let's go. So this is our makerspace, and I want to start asking you, what is a makerspace? A makerspace is a dynamic and collaborative workspace designed for making, learning, exploring, and sharing. It is a space where you can create things. These spaces are open to kids, adults, and entrepreneurs. And here on Changemakers, our spaces are open to schools and all the community too. Changemakers is an innovative space for creation and learning where the only limit is the imagination. Here on Changemakers, we offer students, teachers, citizens, and creative people the opportunity to develop projects working with cutting-edge technology, as you can see here on the photos, 3D printers, laser cutter engravers, CNC machines, vinyl cutters, microcontrollers, web studios, among others. And we have here always dedicated support of professionals with expertise in various areas of science and education. Sorry, the button is failing. Here you can see other equipments that we have. This type of equipment is here so we can work and create without limitation and put our imagination to work and create great things. Makerspace does not need edge cutting technology, as you can see here on these photos. Any space can be a makerspace. So it's not about what we have at our disposal, but about what we can do with what we have. It's a way of thinking. The heart of a makerspace lies in the maker mindset, the spirit of creativity, problem solving, and self-discovery. Makerspace nurture the critical 21st century skills needed in science, technology, engineering, arts, and math, like STEM education, offering hands-on learning experience that foster key skills, as you can see here on the screen, that enhance self-confidence and spark innovation. And here on Changemakers, we can witness this great impact on education by strengthening these skills. So, we are Changemakers, young entrepreneurs for inclusive and sustainable development. Changemakers is a project that aims to raise citizen voice, empower the community, and innovate in education. Raising citizen voice by supporting the creation of innovative solutions that empower the community and that have the potential to make a difference. Empowering the community by offering training to all ages group, promoting skills, innovative thinking, and a better profile to thrive in life. And innovating education by involving schools and promoting key skills for more educated, competent, and sustainable future. So how we do it? One of our actions is classes for students, where the students learn with digital world by electronics and programming, 2D modeling and printing, digital art, laser engraving and cutting, and other tools, as you saw on the past slides. We try to teach a balance between digital and non-digital tools to enhance the ideas in their projects, the students' projects. We do workshops too. We are open for all the community on our workshops where anyone can learn new skills and put these ideas on motion. The Changemaker space offers workshops for anyone who wants to learn, no matter their level of education, degree, or previous knowledge. This space is made for everyone who seeks to learn more and have fun by doing it. We offer 2 certified teacher trainings. These training courses focus on training teachers to promote design thinking in their classes as a methodology to open the school to the community and promote the development of key competences in students. During the training, teachers are introduced to several innovative student-centered methodologies, as well as innovative assessment tools. Teachers learn to work autonomously with students in developing a project using the design thinking methodology in order to motivate them to act as agents of change in their community. Teachers and students choose together the theme to be worked on. They investigate a problem with, and while learning about relevant topics in their curriculum, they imagine possible solutions, and in collaboration with their community, they create solutions and share them. So here's some results of our projects here that we do in the Changemaker space. Here's a project with electronics. Is the painting robot, is one of my favorite projects. Kids can create their own robots, as you can see here, using hot glue. And doing art, the robot will move with a DC motor and will paint a paper below them and can do battle robots too. As you can see, as you can see here in this video, teachers is learning to do these robots so they can teach how to do it to the students. I will play this video. As you can see, sorry to pause it. You can do a lot of type of robots is just get the imagination working and do it. So kids learn to do these robots and have a lot of fun doing battles too. Other type of robots that other type of projects that we have here is sonification with microbit. Microbit is a microcontroller that any kids can program it because use block programming, and we teach the kids and the adults to program these microbits to react to sound and light on some LEDs. Other project that we have in partnership with Let's project. Let's is learning digital skills through arts and performance. We did a visual effects programmed with microbits. And microbits react to movements. The kids learned to programming the microbit to react to the movement. And we put the LEDs and the microbits in suits. The kids did the suits, and as you can see here in this video, the microbits and the lights react to their movements. And these kids did a very beautiful show with these suits, as you can see here in this video. So it was beautiful to watch it live. We do other types of projects too with electronics, like weather station, where we had a sensor, and this we show the humidity and temperature of the local place. We have projects with 3D printers too, as you can see here, the 3D printer, and here you can see a beautiful dragon that I made for Rosa to show how he's doing. We have here the world map elevation. This is a really cool project for the inclusion of blind people, so they can sense the elevation on world map. It's small scale. We have spiders there and other 3D printed projects. And here we have a picture of Marilyn Monroe 3D printed. Other type of projects, you can see here the printed work is the scale model of the solar system planets. You can see here Saturn, Jupiter, Neptune, and Uranus, and here you can see in scale our Earth. And we have a CNC machine. That's a huge machine that do transform what we do on the computer to some great pieces that we can see here. A mandala is being made. It's beautiful to watch it. And with this mandala, we did a project that is video mapping on mandalas, as you can see here. The kids learn to edit the video to project on these mandalas. We do parts for carts and other vehicles, as you can see here. The solar system at scale, another project with CNC machine. We have a laser cutter machine and engraver that we can do a lot of things. It's my favorite machine here. Like we have a lot of projects, as you can see, a spine top, earrings, three-person chests, solo cars, and other type of projects. Kids, as you can see here in this slide, in this photo, they design what they can print, and we print on paper, on wood, on acrylic, and they can feel what they can touch what they design and do a lot of things, a lot of toys. Very cool. Here's my favorite thing to do in the laser cutting machine is LED lamps. You can see here a beautiful LED lamp of nuclear and change makers and other two. So it's a lot of projects. You see here some example of school projects using laser cutting machines. The kids had designed what they can do, and they printed and they can do a lot of things, a lot of projects with it.
So for 2 more minutes.
Okay. So here a partnership with ClickPolit. We did a city without light pollution. And other equipment that we have, computer and multimedia, solo cars, as you can see here. So it's a lot of things that we can do. I would just pass here some slides. We have an interplanetary scale where we can see what our weight is in other planets, our solar system. It's very cool to use it. And a lot of projects. I will just pass here some slides. So what we learn on the way? We learn programming. Kids can program the microbits. Any kids that can read can do this programming because it's very easy, very basic. We learn graphic designs, 3D modeling, printing, and how to use machines. It's amazing how we can teach adults and kids by having fun. So now, just to finish, I will show you a last video, is very fast, of our makerspace, just to finish my presentation. Thank you. Hope you enjoyed the presentation. If you want to collaborate with us, please contact us. Here's the contact. Thank you. Thank you a lot.
Excellent. It's very nice work. Congratulations for this achievement. I really like it.
Thank you.
Well, we're a little bit behind the schedule, but because we start a little bit late. But let's give one or two questions if you have, or comments.
We have a lot of comments on the chat. Edward has shared some compliments and clappings, and yeah, there are a lot of things. If someone wants to comment, just please. But we have to move on very quickly.
Edward has a question, Gustavo.
Yeah.
He asked,
Yes.
it's amazing the effects for that show were done using microbits or NeoPixels.
Yeah, we did with microbit. Yeah.
And NeoPixel. I don't think it was a question, it was a comment.
Sure. Yeah, it's a extended of
Okay.
microbit programming. Yeah.
How different is your project with the concept of tinkering space?
Sorry, I didn't.
Tinkering space that was actually initiated in the US. The tinkering space, or a space where students are given tools and they out of their imagination, they try to create things and so on.
Yeah.
So I've seen this actually in the US, and also I've seen it in Italy. And they have a lab called Tinkering Space, which is the same concept basically.
Yeah, it is.
Where people they come and then try to innovate
and create things and can touch what created. It's very cool. Yeah.
Is your space like open for free to the population, or it's with a fee?
Yeah, we are open, but we have some price to time where to use the machine, but it's very low price. It's very but it's open. It's always open to anyone who wants to create things.
Great. So I'll definitely will contact you actually to help us.
Let's do it.
Start a project here in Morocco. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
It's excellent. Okay, so